Krea is making waves in the design community, but is it really the best AI design tool out there? If you're a designer or just someone looking to create stunning visuals, you might want to stick around as we dive into what Krea has to offer. Krea is an AI-driven design platform that aims to simplify the creative process for users of all skill levels. At its core, Krea provides a suite of tools that allow you to generate high-quality designs quickly and efficiently. The user interface is sleek and intuitive, making it easy for beginners to jump in without feeling overwhelmed. One standout feature is its collaborative capabilities, allowing teams to work together in real time. This could be a game changer for remote teams or anyone working on collective projects. Krea also offers a variety of templates and design elements, which can be a huge time saver. However, while the platform presents many exciting features, it lacks detailed documentation and tutorials, which might leave some users scratching their heads. The overall experience feels promising, but it could benefit from clearer guidance for those who are less tech-savvy. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Krea's AI capabilities can produce impressive designs in a fraction of the time it would take manually. The collaborative features are a significant advantage for teams, and the clean interface is user-friendly. However, there are a few drawbacks. Some users might find the lack of comprehensive tutorials frustrating, especially if they run into issues. Additionally, while the design elements are diverse, there could be more options for customization, which may not satisfy advanced users. Pricing is another concern. It's not clear how competitive it is compared to other tools in the market, and that raises some eyebrows about its overall value. In conclusion, Krea is definitely worth considering if you're looking for a user-friendly AI design tool, especially for team projects. However, those who need extensive customization or detailed support might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it feels like Krea has potential, but it could use a bit more transparency and depth to truly shine.